Welcome to our channel, Tech Belt. In this video, I will show you some incredible and awesome tech gadgets. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So, let's get started. But before we proceed, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. The first gadget we have today is Omni Ultimate. The Omni Ultimate is basically the power solution for all your smart devices. From a compact smartphone or laptop, the Omni Ultimate can charge all the high-tech professional devices. This device comes up with the advanced AC outlet, adjustable DC output and USB Type-C port. The Omni Ultimate could be the best option if you are working in a field research or in an area where you face power shortages, or simply if you want to camp out with friends. This device is capable of charging all your smart devices. Most importantly, the Omni Ultimate has a solar charging capability. That means you don't need just electricity to power it up, and also Omni Ultimate is splash and dust resistant. Omni Ultimate is the best solution for all your charging problems. On number 2, we have Pelican 9600 Modular Lighting System. With Pelican Modular Lighting System, you can chain up to 34 Pelican LED modular lights that gives over 100,000 combined lumens of bright LED light. 3,000 lumens per light head. With these lights you can lit the long tracks, make a beautiful entrance for the events, and other variety of purposes. Moreover, these modular LED lights can light up to 350 yards or 321 meters. These lights can be powered by only a single generator. On number 3, we got this mini foldable touch keyboard. This is a compact, small-sized Bluetooth keyboard that you can carry along with you anywhere. Interestingly, this wireless keyboard is compatible with the Android devices. If you want to type something on your cell phone that is too long, then this keyboard will assist you, and you can type via this smart keyboard. Moreover, this keyboard comes up with a touchpad, which is really fascinating. This device has the magnetic touch. For example, you just need to flip it, and it will be firmly closed. Coming at number 4, the very stylish HENG balance lamp. Unlike the ordinary lamps, this lamp looks really cool and stylish. The interesting thing about this lamp is the way it turns on. This lamp has got very unique switch. The two magnetic balls attract to illuminate this lamp. This amazing switch is fun to turn it on. The lightning element in this lamp is fixed in its frame. Interestingly, this device can be powered up by a USB port. That means it uses very low amount of energy and is energy efficient. This creative lamp could be suitable for study or just in the bedroom as a home decor article. The last gadget we have today is Philips Picopix Max. This is basically a small, compact projector with built-in wireless speakers. It is really a lightweight gadget that would fit in your pocket or a small bag. This compact device projects an image in full HD resolution and supports 4K video that will give you the real cinematic experience. It comes up with revolutionary new DLP technology that provides a sharper, more clear image in full HD. Moreover, the Picopix supports USB Type-C, HDMI, microSD, screen mirroring, and storage of 16 gigs. This gadget gives you a battery backup of 3 hours. Picopix is compatible with Android and Apple devices and supports Netflix, YouTube, Firefox and many other apps. So, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then please subscribe this channel.